Hey, let me show you the best features, some tips and tricks for the Sony WF-C710N. So first of all, we are starting from the ambient sound control. So yes, on this earbuds, we can find noise cancelling, but also there is the ambient sound. And when you turn on the ambient sound, you can click on the icon and you can change the level of the ambient sound from 1 to 20, but also you can filter in voices. So you can just focus on the voices when you speak to someone. And for sure, you can turn off both modes to save battery. Now, we can also find here access to the sound equalizer. We can find a lot of default presets. Take a look. We can even customize them by clicking on the settings icon. And you can also find some custom presets, the custom first, second, and the manual adjustment. For sure, you can set up frequencies up to your preferences, and you can increase or decrease bass. We are also able to change Bluetooth connection quality, so if you want to prioritize sound quality, you can for sure do this. If you want to get stable connection, you can also stay with the default option. With this device, we can also use multi-point connection. We can connect two devices simultaneously. And on the both earbuds, we can find the touch sensor that is located just right here. And we can find a lot of things. So as you can see, we are able to change function for the left and the right one. We got the ambient sound control / quick access, the playback control, or we can even turn them off. So if you are not using these touch sensors, you can just completely disable them. But if you are interested how they works, so for the single tap on the ambient sound control, you can change between the noise cancellation and the ambient sound. By double tap, it's not assigned. The triple tap is also not assigned, but you can do this by going just right here. So here you will get the quick access and you can use Amazon Music Play Now or Spotify tap. That's how you can actually adjust those gestures. But by going back for the continue pressing, we got the quick attention and we can change volume level by repeat tap on the left one, but on the right one, on the repeat tap, we can increase the volume level. And as you can see on the right one, I just select the playback control. So on the single tap, we can find play and the pause. We can turn a next song with the double tap. Triple tap, we can turn previous song. And with the long press, we can launch the voice assistant function. There's also some hidden features for phone calls. So it only works with the right one. So what you can do, if there's an incoming phone call and you want to pick it up, you will have to tap twice on the touch sensor. If you want to end the phone call, you have to also double tap quickly on the right earbud. We can also find here the automatic ear detection and the option that will capture our voice during the phone call. So we'll be able to hear our own voice during the phone calls. On this device, we can also use the one earbud mode. So we can put the left one or the right one inside the charging case, close this. Now just put the single earbud inside your ear and you can make the phone calls, watch some videos or listen to your favorite songs. This earbuds works with Android and iOS. On the both systems you can download Sony Sound Connect application to get access into all of those features. Also in some smartphones, like in my case this is the Android phone from Google. So you can even turn on the spatial audio. It's available just right here.